Hello, I'm Helen Bradley. Welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at where all our patterns went, because if you have installed and are using Photoshop CC 2020, you will notice that when you go to the pattern options, anywhere you are able to add patterns to a document, that the legacy patterns, the patterns that always used to be available on the gear icon here, are missing. So all the patterns that you might want to use that you've been using for years are no longer available. It would appear in Photoshop CC 2020. Of course, that's not the case. It's just that they hid them from you. So if you want to find those old patterns, this is what you're going to do. You'll go to Window and then choose this new Patterns panel. They brought in this new Patterns panel in Photoshop CC 2020 for a couple of reasons. One is that it's your sort of central location for dealing with patterns in Photoshop, which makes it a little bit confusing because the tools that you used to have on the general patterns dialogues are no longer there. They're all in this area here. The other thing is that it replaces the preset manager so far as patterns are concerned. So if you used to use Edit and then go to Presets and Preset Manager, if you used to use the Preset Manager to manage your patterns and shapes and things like that, you'll see they're missing. They are no longer available through the Preset Manager. The reason is that each of those options now has panels available from the Windows menu. So it's confusing at the very least. But let's go and have a look and see where you're going to get your patterns from, the patterns that you're used to using. Well, you go to the flyout menu here on the Patterns panel, and you're going to click here on Legacy Patterns and More. And when you click, nothing appears to happen. Well, thank you, Photoshop. But if you have a look down here, you'll see that the legacy patterns have been added. Now, I've done that a few times because the first time I did it, I clicked and clicked because nothing happened. So if you do that a few times, you might need to delete the ones that you don't want. But in the Legacy Patterns and More, just going to open this up. You'll see that there's some things called 2019 patterns. They were patterns that were obviously included with Photoshop 2019, but they're also your legacy patterns, and these are all the patterns that you're used to having access to, like your papers and artist surfaces and things like that. So your patterns are still there, it's just that Photoshop hid them from you. Before we finish the video, I have more Photoshop training at Skillshare.com. When you sign up for Skillshare, you get access to thousands of classes there, including over 200 of mine. In the description below is a Skillshare coupon for you, which is at least as good as the current Skillshare offer, and typically mine will be better. Please feel free to share this coupon with family and friends. Now, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be alerted when new videos are released. Until next time, my name's Helen Bradley. Thank you so much for joining me here on my YouTube channel.